Yo, Lion, what go on there?
Morning, man. What kind of businessman you be?
What you talk about?
What you mean by what me I talk about? Are you just open a shop, you know? Are you say your place of business open between the hours of 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock? 8 o'clock me there, I look for purchase a few items. Me not see a show up. Now after 10 I go to 11. 10 people me see come already. 10 people gone. 10 sale you lose. And at 10 people we are going to go somewhere go tell somebody you no need for go time shop because time now open pan time. Time open when him feel like.
All them people they can move and go, you know, because here me say me run this off in my shop, you know.
Yeah, man, the way you run it and your attitude right now, I gonna run you right out of business. Because remember, when you say you open 8 to 5, at the public you tell that, you know, that is your commitment to your customers.
Me say I true me go one party last night, man, and the party turn up, party slap way. Me I end up have to spend some money upon some liquor last night from out of the business money, you know, man. But me I tell you the party shell.
Yeah, but the party now have nothing to do with your business. Irrespective of what time you reach home, you know. Your commitment to your customer is that your business open between 8 to 5. When a man show up 8 o'clock and you not opening, you know, is a disrespect to him, you know. You not value him time. You know, respect him, you know, and him can't go anywhere else. But him choose to come at you. And everybody are going to lie like me and sit down and wait 2.5, almost 3 hours and wait for you to come open a shop, you know. You know, sooner or later, you know, have a business. Sooner or later, you walk go fill out an application, figure work for somebody else. And when you have to go for them work, you go there, if them say them open 8 o'clock, you go there at 7:45. Boss, you want to see me come and work, you know, me there upon time, me there all before time. You have to give your business all the strength, all the attention. You go out last night, nobody not stop you from go out. But you have to wake up in time so you can come open your business.
A real meds, you know, man. Real
Yeah, man,
meds.
you have to there all an hour before, clean up, get everything ready.
True.
8 o'clock, you're ready for rock and roll. When people show up, them feel happy for know so them get good service, them get good treatment. You just as surely know, yes, are your business, are you run your business. We know are your business, but sooner or later, you and your family and your friend them have to go eat your own grocery because nobody now go show up. You disrespect them, so you have to go lock down and you sit down and look like brother dog. Respect your customer, them are your business. Respect the people, grow your business because it's in the baby stage. It's a seed you just plant. You have to nurture it and make it grow and flourish into something where the community can rely upon you because you offer a service, you know. You can hand it down to even another generation. At them where they run a business. You have to mind your own business. You would have given another man 110%. Right now you have to give yourself all 1,000%. You have to give everything you have. Everything. You have to make the sacrifice. See, you even gone into the business money, go and buy liquor. You have to learn to manage the business money. The business money belongs to the business. It not belong to you. It not belong to liquor. Oh, you go put back stuff on your shelf. You stop to ask yourself that when you buy yourself liquor. You have to know what you do. If you don't know what you do, you have to sit down and look like brother dog and everybody else. You know what I'm saying? You used to have one shop. You used to have one shop, now work. Your shop have to grow. Your shop have to turn a supermarket. Your shop have to become all a big plaza. And that more for you. Right? So the mindset there, you have to get out of the mindset there. Negative. The attitude and the right for business, that are the wrong approach.